Here is the fuel system diagram of Honda Pan-European. We have a fuel pump here, and between fuel pump and battery, we have two relay. So these two relays should be activated on the core, on their coil side, and also they need to have 12 volt on their contact side. As you can see, the contact side and the coil side is separated. And because the coil side was okay and the coil was activated, we need only to check the contact side. Here we have only two, which is main fuse 30 amp, need to be checked. If this fuse is okay, we should have power through both sides of the relay. The first relay, engine stop relay, and the second fuel relay. And we need to have a working fuel pump.